why be in a relationship if you want to do all that when you can be single and do whatever you want?
I tell you why. Because you take it. If you got solid, if you got a woman at home, she's fine, she's gorgeous, she's wonderful, she's sleeping with you, and every once in a while you get to dip in another pool, you're going to do it. Now, see, when I was 20, a guy dipped in another pool, he swam alone. Because I'm out. I got better things to do. At 20, if you were not adding to my life actively, if you weren't making me joyful, if you weren't making me smile, you doing this, that, or the other thing, I ain't got time. I ain't mad. I just don't got time for it. Because I got other things to do. See what I'm saying? He's not really ready to settle down. That's the end of it. You can stay with him if you want to, but he's going to keep messing up for a while. I personally wouldn't recommend it. I would be like, hey, you know, brother, you want to stay, stay. He messes up again, I'd roll. He really wants to be with you, really loves you, and it's a really forever thing, he'll act right. If not, step. And that's nothing against you. Nothing against you at all. You have a right to do what you want to do. But I just don't want you to limit yourself to think I'm a success if I get him and I'm not if I don't. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
You're trying to make ice cream in a bucket with no ice. You got to wait till it freezes. He's still liquid.